In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share dice in Monopoly Go. Here's the key thing to know up front. You can't directly send dice to another player. The game doesn't have a trade or transfer button for dice. But there is a simple, built-in way to help friends get dice while you collect a bonus too, and that's the friend invitation system. To get started, open Monopoly Go and tap the friends icon at the bottom right of the screen. This opens your social hub. Next, tap Invite. On some devices, you'll see a little phone contact symbol alongside a reward icon. That's the right place. The app will then show you sharing options. Choose the app you prefer, like WhatsApp or Messenger, or copy a direct link if you want to paste it somewhere else. Send that link to your friend. The important part is that they download the game and begin playing using your unique link. When they do, they'll receive 30 dice as a welcome reward, and you'll receive a reward as well. It's a win-win, and the closest thing the game offers to sharing dice. Couple of tips to make this smooth. Include a quick note in your message so your friend knows the link gives them free dice. If they're seeing the link on a different device than the one they'll play on, ask them to open the link on the device where they'll install the game so the reward tracks correctly. After they start playing through your link, rewards typically appear automatically, but they can take a moment. Check your in-game notifications or inbox if you don't see them right away. Want to invite more than one friend? Just repeat the same steps. Friends, invite, choose your sharing method, and send. Each successful sign-up through your link grants your friend their dice and you a corresponding reward, subject to the current in-game promotion. Keep an eye on any event banners, since reward amounts and timing can occasionally change. That's all there is to it. While you can't hand dice directly to another player, the invitation flow lets you help friends stock up and gives you bonuses at the same time. Open the Friends tab, tap Invite, share your link through your favorite app, and make sure your friend installs and starts playing from that link to receive 30 dice. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your rolls.